Oh, new log entry begin. So, after the the half successful, half failed trip to the old fighter docking station where we converted a portion of it into a ship. It was supposed to go attack a thing, but yeah, I accidentally fired off all the ammo like the actual goober that I am. It's just complete goose on the loose behavior from me. Um, it's back. We're here. I've dropped my little fighter. Oof, almost dropped myself into the massive hole here. Um, yeah. So dropped a few things. I've done some thinking. I do want to expand this hole. The ice, I'm not really keen on keeping though. Ah, well, not at the moment. I'm not keen on keeping. I need to add in additional, well, storage for this stuff, and this is going to be a dual situation here. This is going to be both the refining and the refueling depot. So, I mean, a two for one stop. If the company gets upset about that, it is what it is. We'll just have to adjust on the back end then. So yeah, so this is gonna have quite the expansion happen to it. Can I shut off spider projector? There we go. Yeah, have some work to do. Get our list of resources and things. We have plenty of stuff, but it's time to start cleaning up and getting some things done. Namely, start getting done the if I can actually have some scaffolding. Scaffolding, here we go. Namely, I want to get I want to grab some resources so I can actually plot these out. I want to get at least this little bit of, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, because this was going to be a docking area, or docking area. This was going to be a parking garage, little overhang thing, sliding over. So I'll butt that up to about right here. 1, 2, 4, 5. Yeah, so 5. So yeah, right here is just going to be shenanigans here, like so. Of course, I don't have any of those on me, because why would I? Yep, that's par for the course for me. Yep. So you go here. 6, 7, 8. Yeah, there. We'll make a nice little turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What the numbers are not wanting to be my friend today. What am I looking for? I'm looking for you, please. And back to the halves. There we go. That'll be the oops, not that piece. That'll be the little parking area for rovers as we're moving to and from this area. And speaking of, well, not speaking of anything, I do not want those tools on me. I want my nice tools back, please. Because we're gonna be doing some cutting, some welding, some grinding. So I'm going to want the nicer things on me, so it goes that much quicker. Yeah. I need to get the mine thing moved over to process things, but I need to get the fuel storage taken care of. It's actually going to result in me digging down here. And over. Alright. Come on. Yeah, there it is. Did I just... Of course I just damaged that. Because life would be too easy if everything just worked, right? There we go. That's what I've learned these last couple of days on this world, or last, however How long have I been here? I probably should have kept some tally marks or something, but, yeah. I need to get you changed. I need to get you changed over. You need to go back to being you, please. Thank you. Yeah, need you changed over. And then you're going to be a T-junction. Come over and pipe up another one of these, because I want to get that moved off of here. I want to get that cargo moved out of here. And then I want to get the cargo on the back side here. So that'll be our first set of projects before we start even thinking about getting that drill moved over to start grabbing more ice and everything. We'll get an extra tank, so there'll be a total of 4 tanks. I won't move that one just yet, but I'll get a 4th tank, let it start processing through some of the 2.2 million ice I have, and then get the cargo there. That ice processing, cargo setup. Rip that wind farm off, and then rip apart the solar and get the solar reconfigured to be a larger set. And actually, before I can do the solar, I'll probably build a little skid or skiff to lift me up there, and I can do the building a tad bit easier. But that's enough of me being very, very long-winded. Yeah, and let's get to actually getting some of this done, shall we? Oh, there we go. Get get that tank done. Finally, it's conveyed, it's piped, which means the H2O2 gens here on the base can get toggled back on. That's that big farm of them I have just on the other side of this stuff here. It's specifically meant to process through the millions and millions of kilos of ice that I have. Well, even more than millions of kilos. But the ungodly amount of ice that I have, and I'm going to once again obtain. That's what all these are here to process. I also want to add another 4 here just to bring it in, kind of complete out this segment. But yeah, that's a different story. Oh. Okay, and now I want to get my you. Can I switch lock you? And oh. Whoops. Batteries, please. Can you go to auto? Make sure the broadcast is on for our suit. We're gonna take the miner here. Control. We're going 6 here. Forward. There we go. All right. The things are gone off the control bar, but whatever. We are going to try not to smash into anything. This thing feels like it has a bit of cargo in it. But I need a little bit of this cleared out, and it's going to be much quicker if I just do some of this shenanigans. But I just need this over. Alright, that should be more than enough. Because I need to go underneath to get the first set of conveyors linked up for the things on each side, which means I'm going to have to do some block work to pretty up the area around here. There we go. How beautiful. Alright, 8. Here we, whoops, fling ourselves the other way. Nice and easy. And there we are. 3, 6, 7. And we can detach. Beautiful. Alright. That's good to go. This thing's filling is already almost at 10%. Heck yeah. Things are progressing. So cargo will go straight into here. I can't go through the wall. Well, I mean, technically I could have gone through the wall and down and over. But it's just better if we go... Whoops. I need to go one further. Where is... Sure, refinery. Where, what's going on here? These should have a connection port here on the oh, wait. It's right here. No, whatever. Right? Ah, there's that one on the far side. These should have been too wide, right? Or is that, cargo? Do these industrial versions not have a... Uh-oh. Have a cargo port on the underside. That's a decided pain in my butt. Grab a few of these so I can just place and weld. We can't work around, but is a bit of an annoyance. Alright, what were we thinking here? That's the next question for, what's going on. I believe, yeah, I'll also have to widen these up to, fix that berth a little bit. I should have just dug with my drill. Yeah, because now this is all blech looking. But it is what it is. We'll have to work around it. What were I thinking? Thinking going like this. And having cargo like that. Buttered up against either side, right? Yeah, if I left a portion... Okay, yeah, so this was going to become... Oh, God, where are my... Nope, I don't want heavy things. There we go. This was going to become like this. And drop back further that way. Yes, yes. It was going to be 1, 2, then 1, 2. So that's going to be over against this. I need to relocate these signs. Actually, we'll just... Whoops. We'll just rip these signs down for the time being. That way I can throw in... Oh, I had steel plates. We could throw in this back wall segment. You know what I don't want and or need in this area? Because this is... Woo, not that. Hydrogen generator. I want you to go. Yeah, so that leaves me with a little bit right here, but I'll be able to access it from the inside up there. So I am okay with walling all of this off. No, would be okay with walling it all off if I had the steel plates to wall it off. There we go. Yep. Weak as ever, jetpack, thank you. Ah, alright, okay. looking at one more set here. I could quite a bit. Set you there, and then this set goes here and here. And then I'll get some paths or interior walls or something that run down and kind of run this perimeter section. So I may just, rip these out, give myself a little walkway that sort of goes around the cargo back here to the solar area and things. But for now, I need to actually get the linkage established for this. And we were going to drop in on the underside here. So if I can go this. Yep, there we go. Oh, hey, there we go. Look at that. Alright, yeah. Let's grab our parts and weld up the connection for this. We'll get the connection for this going, and then we'll weld up this cargo. So, let's see it done. And there it is. Look at that. See, log watchers, I did that quirky little editing thing that you see all the time. Or at least I used to see when I was watching logs. Oh, I'm such a quirky kook. Oh well. The cargo's up and running. We're working on the this walkway a little bit. I'll end up doing something over here, even if I just put in like a little overhang and enclose something just small right here to throw in like a pair of server racks to run the inventory management scripts and things. Let's use these halves. Probably would have been nice to use interiors in this area, but that is what it is, right? Oh, can I? Thank you. Load all these up, and beautiful. So I do have room for, a couple more to come back further. But that's, honestly, that's okay. Alright, so, next big thing I wanted was this eyesore off of the roof. Ow. You jetpack, come on. Yeah, I definitely need to figure out what's up with this suit. Get a different one or something. I don't know. Oh, wait, there's cargo right there. Ooh. Okay. Woo. Dodge that. Perfect. Look at that. Got some stuff cleaned up and some cargo added already. Jump over here. See how you're doing is what I want to do. Honestly, I could have just accessed the cargo. Almost. Well, you are 50% now. Okay, you are filling so quickly. I need a place for the for that thing to go. And the stupid idea and the stupid place for it to go is right up top, right? Because I don't want any sort of issues to arise or to come up from me when I am getting ready to get. There we go. When I'm getting ready to get the drill moved and whatnot else, and I know I'm going that way with it. I just need to figure out where I'm gonna make that transition and whatnot. I'll rip all this down and just rebuild it entirely. It's not that hard to build. It's fairly simplistic, to tell the truth. Which is good. The simplicity is the true genius of it, in my opinion. But it's yeah. It's still a little close for comfort, on my end. Alright, okay. Well, if it's there, I should be able to come in and just... a nice little... Stay away. This thing is, she's lengthy. Thankfully not too girthy, though. Alright, there we go. Commit the cardinal sin of P. Turn that off. Turn stockpile back onto these tanks. Might as well fill them up while I'm here, right? Ooh, actually, I might not wanted to have... stockpile them anyways, why not? We'll deal with any loss or anything that I do incur from moving tanks around internally on this thing. Only got the one tank I'm thinking of moving around anyhow, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Right. Batteries. For this thing calls its battery station batteries. I'm gonna set y'all to recharge. Just for giggles. There we go. And now I have a impromptu ship that was meant to have been destroyed at the end of last log, or at least successfully have attacked a base, if it didn't get destroyed. So yeah, you can just hang out up there, right? Right. Okay. Right. I'm not really ready to move the printer as of yet. I was thinking about different designs. One being inlaid into the ground. Printing design, have the welders facing up this way, a sheet of glass over the top, and a swing arm or something that would swing over, print, and bring up whatever build, and drag it and build it from top down instead of from the back forward. To print instead of going forward and dragging back to print, just coming something that swung around, dropped in, and then came back up like so. Or oh, that just occurred to me. Alternatively, I could build, since this area is a little more sizable, a spot right here that has two welders, two welders, two welders, and two welders, or do 3x3 cube of welders, basically welders that would fit this size, and I could just fly through. That would also double as a repair station. I could have the actual printer either swing up or down, in, project, and then drag through, or if I made it long enough with enough welders, could just print entirely in place, and I could shut off and then take it out. But that would also give me the repair welders that I wanted for my small ships that I'm able to get back that aren't fully destroyed in combat. So, ideas are flowing through. Huh. But, yeah, I think we'll hold off on any of those, and let's get that little skid thing I was talking about, built, shall we? Right. It has no way to dock and recharge, but for right now, that's fine. Yeah. For right now, it's fine. I don't feel like throwing on a, grinder on the utility ship? Yeah, we'll grinder on the utility ship. Now that I'm thinking about all these things, it was a very stupid tool. Well, I mean, I'll use this. It's just not ready to be used yet. Ooh! Sorry. You heard nothing. Omit that from the log, me. Right. Block tools. Grinder. Here we go. I'll go ahead and grind down the, Can I... There we go. Go ahead and grind down the current, solar that's up there, the panels, into this, and then this will also be used to re-weld, but we'll use a little skid we just built, or slapped together, and it's horrible, to actually go up there and start placing everything. But for now, I just need to make sure that this ship itself is not emptied. Okay. Cargo. Large cargo container on the base, please and thank you. And everything over, and... lovely. Okay, perfect. Here to you. Okay, so we need 7, 6, 4, forward, up, turn. Whoop! Don't turn yet. Gonna blow up your stupid grinder. Block tools, grinders, please. All right, 3. Yeah, there we go. I can grind away, and I should have more than enough cargo capacity to, actually... You're... You're kidding me, right? These things blow up at the slightest touch. Which of these had the... thing on it? Great. How are you feeling? You're fine. Cargo? Things? Yep. Alright. Cool. I'll be more gentle, I guess. Yeah. Alright, but, yeah, let me get this ripped down, and we'll go from there. Oh, whoops, oh, I accidentally grinded the center, and, crap, there goes solar cells, and a massive hole in my freaking lake. Yep. I should have been paying attention to what I was doing more than that. Just going because I wanted it through. Great. Well, if I didn't already have plans to kind of encapsulate this area, I most certainly do now. Shut off the thrusters, it's fine. What was this one? It's gonna be like... lovely. Shenanigans. Well, I mean... one of these days, things will go my way. That day is not today. I need that, and I need, what do solar cells take as their base piece? Oh, steel. Perfect. We'll just grab a whole butt ton of steel. On 9, we're gonna have solar... Here we go. It's right here. Alright. How are you on? Up. Turn. Move this way. Yeah. Great. I even knew that I needed to avoid the center because I didn't want to have to remove and deal with the camera and all that again, but, here we are. So camera goes on that. And then it was through the 6 here. through the center. So I want a unit that way. No. Yes, that way. Went up here and then on the side there. Oops, still a little far. So help if I leveled out. 6. That. Yeah, whatever. Over here. Fix that. There. Rat. Is that what I need? I think that's what I need. What needs to happen? I think that's what I need, right? As the beginning, obviously I need a camera in the center there. But for the actual solar to happen, and we'll use some of our jetpack here. I just have to be sparing with it, because I don't have any bottles on me that are charged. Initially we had the panels like this. I think if I move them like this, I should be able to double the overall footprint of what is here. Also, I may have to replace some of these blocks, but whatever. And actually, we will use our jetpack a little more. I just need to refuel from here. H2O2 gens, please. H2O2 gens. There we go. Sweet. Love to see it. All right. Now we'll zipper whoop. Right, this thing lifts because it's basically weightless. And I have quite a bit of upthrust. All right, so let me because this isn't gonna be particularly fun. Let me see if I can't get some solar shenanigans sorted out here. Okay, well that took way longer than it should have. Just go down. What does a camera take? Camera wants. Okay, still plates and computers. That's fine. Should be able to do that. Relatively easily. What has the camera rolled up into it? I thought it was a remote. We go remote. Yes, remote has the cameras and the like. We'll go ahead and run you. Here. Camera goes like that, and it's nighttime. Which means I'm due for a nap. A very uncomfortable nap. I still haven't put any living quarters up. But a nap nonetheless. We did start plotting out some of where things are going to go. Alright. You stop there. I'm going to go jump in a cockpit somewhere to sleep. At least the seats in the cockpits are cushioned. And we'll pick the log up in the morning. I'm actually going to patch up my scratches first. Yeah, we'll pick this log up in the morning, welding up that stupid solar tower. Morning stretching, and I am ready to... No, I'm not. I am replacing these with the proper thing, which is welders to do what we need. Of course, I'm short on components, because why wouldn't I be? That life would be too easy otherwise. And there you go. All right, cool. I'm guaranteeing I'm gonna have to grab more, just given what happened previously with everything. But that's okay. We can deal with that when the time comes. Let's just get to welding here. Oh, you are... I'm just gonna fly up with my jetpack. No, not dealing with that. I am just a few something short of that being complete. That last solar panel. Yep, not dealing with it. Not today. Not today. Go ahead and 4, 6, 7. So you be back on recharge. It's for a bunch of solar panels. I'm just going to fly up here with my jetpack. As weak as it is, it still can do a fair little bit. There we go. Alright, and then I am going to name you as solar camera. Alright, cool. Alright, I just have to easy. Okay. Ooh. Alright, yeah, you are not finding the power source for things now. Group base solar is what I need to create that group as, so we'll go ahead and copy that. That's for the script. And if we look for solar panels, all of these solar panels, and we put you into base solar, yeah, now reads it 1.2 megawatts. It is incredibly inefficient at the moment. I know it reads 100% efficiency. That is not true. We need to get the tracking back up and running. And that can only be solved by alignment camera, by giving you your camera back. You are now moving. Oh, look at that. It's super flimsy, but how close is that? Oh, that's close. Oh, that got super close. Maybe I should turn this or back it up or something. What the actual heck are you doing? Okay, you're settled. You're just doing all kinds of craziness. Maybe calibrating itself. All right, but that brings us up to 3.8 megawatts. Oh, joyous day. That's just over 3 times improvement in solar power generation. From 1.2-ish was what we were maxing at previously, when it was, aligned and everything. Or 1.2, 1.3. So it's about 3 times, actually. 1.2, 1.3. Because we're at 3.8. So yes, 3 times improvement on that, on that solar generation. And it only cost me a giant hole in the ice. And a large portion of what little sanity that remained, within me. Ah, you love it. You love it, you love it, you love it. Alright, and some final little activities for the day. We're gonna go with some programmable blocks. And we're gonna throw in some, oops, throwing nothing because I don't have parts to throw in anything. We're gonna do a couple of these. Server. Oh. They gave me these new blocks for broadcast and action relays. Maybe I should set these up somewhere and get them hooked up to a screen and see if anything's been trying to come through message-wise. Also, it's very, very hard to tell the distance they're from each other up there, but Yeah, maybe I should get those set up and see if, maybe the company's been trying to send me messages this whole time, and I've just been basically ignoring them. But they didn't say anything, so that can't really be my fault, can it? Oh, did I not grab those? Yeah, all things successfully withdrawn. That was weird. There. So, I can, go ahead, run into here, edit. I can grab some scripts, that I was able to actually bring along with me, and I'm gonna throw in, some Izzy's Inventory Manager. This guy, he's living the good life. Just licenses his scripts out to these companies and things, and they're just, oh, it's good. I'll have to spend some time actually just setting this up. It's kind of a bit tedious and things, but you know it'll get going. It should initializing script. Yep, instructions. Here we go. Scripts. Warning: all your containers for ingots are full. You should build or tag new things for cargo. Okay, so I need to start tagging. I need to start tagging my my cargo, because not all my cargo is full. It's just reading the ones that are designated for ingots, and well, currently none of them are designated for ingots. So there's that. Yeah, warning, silicone couldn't be transferred from container 4 to large industrial container 6, ores ingot. There's no valid conveyor path. Ooh, well, I've got something that doesn't have any valid conveying. Which is interesting. Nothing should be, silicon. So connector 4 is non-conveyed. Okay, so just this connector 4. Where is connector 4? It's part of this whole thing. Wait, are you connector 4? No, you're not connector 4. You are connector 4. Huh? You should be piped into everything. You are not the connector 4. Silicon. There's another connector 4 somewhere. Connector 3, you are also a connector 4, but you are... Ooh, it's, not fully built. But you are, in fact... Yeah. Where are... There's 3 connector 4s. There's one more connector 4 somewhere that's, got silicon in it. You are connector 4. Hey! Why are you... Yeah, why are you stuck? You're a sorter. Should allow ores. Oh, it's allowing ores to pass through, not ingots. Oh. So every time Build Planner was pushing things... okay, so... I just don't want anything to go back that way. So if we change this to a blacklist, remove, I want to blacklist anything coming through. Not really. I just want everything drained out of here. If I throw that in there, all right, cool. It can snag everything now. All right, throw all that in there. Let's go ahead and charge my bottle. Charge my other bottle. Charge you. Recharge you. There we go. Okay, cool. All right, there we go. Izzy's is now automatically doing its thing. I'll have to do some manual designation of some things to get the containers I want designated for certain things designated. As well as I know I can do some fancy stuff on my my ships and whatnot with them. Where's Izzy? Hello, Izzy's. Actually gonna have a... little bit of a bit of a roof put on over you guys. So, have some steel plates, please. A little bit of roof. Just for giggles. Because I don't think I've seen it rain here, but on the chance that it does, we'll be prepared. Yep, you are dealing with everything. Runtime, you haven't not been able to grab things, and you are finding new items and everything, so I can get displays and everything set up for this. Hint, build an LCD at the main LCD IIM-main to it to get more information about your base and its current script actions. So LCD? Have a regular LCD panel, I guess. Here we go. IIM main. IIM-main, actually. LCD IIM dash main? Was it? How did what? IIM dash main at keyword IIM dash main. Oh, nope. I did not. It was not super case sensitive, but it worked. Sweet. 2 ores, 2 ingots, 1 components, 1 tools, 1 ammo, and 1 bottle. I would like to get those containers named just so I could see them, kind of at a glance in the control panel. I know Izzy's does sometimes, or can, do auto renaming of cargoes and things. Like you go here, and we're looking at medium cargo container 8. Izzy seems to have. No, this is a large cargo container. Why did I not? Cargo, large cargo container 1. Industrial large cargo container ores, ingots. Yes. Okay, so it is going through doing some renaming and things. So, oh, that's good. But I think I'm gonna sit back, relax, enjoy our new solar efficiency. Think about where extra wind will go. Think about what I'm gonna do with this hole in the ground. And figure out some extra things, as well as, the whole refueling and processing thing, because I'm gonna need a couple of smaller docking pads over here for small ships. I want 2 docking pads. I believe I needed for the for large ships. I'll have to check the actual mission briefing pad to see what I need for the refueling station. We're not even done with the refining station. I'll have to combine their armament requirements. It'll be good to help, spread across and cover the larger area anyhow. But for now, I think we're good. Izzy's doing its thing, moving everything around and whatnot. I don't know why when I access this, it's not showing me it directly in the control panel as what I've opened up, but yes, it is what it is, right? Ooh, also base solar, just to clean up this whole thing. Do not show these blocks in the terminal. Show block and tool. Don't show those blocks in the terminal, please. And I'll start going through and doing things like that to clean up kind of all these things. So like these guys, I know they're for that thing up there, but we'll go ahead and hide those. The transport batteries, we'll go ahead and hide those. That way everything's a little cleaner inside of this. But that's gonna do it for this log. I'm gonna take a much needed little break. Look at getting those action and relay things set up somewhere to see if the company's been trying to contact me. I certainly hope they haven't, because I don't want to hear from them. And if you're the company listening to this, at this point I don't care. Give me a few days, I guess. I'll get things sorted. And if you have been trying to contact me, I'll shortly, but again, whose concept of shortly are we talking about? It's like you telling me, oh, you get a year to do it. Whose year? You never specify, which is a major key component about working interstellarly, is what concept of a year. You should have given me a number of hours or a number of standard unit days, but you didn't. So whoever soon we're talking about, mine or yours or Bill from down the road. I don't know who Bill is, but hi, Bill. Uh, yeah, that's it. But to the log listener, to whoever's archiving it, filing it, or just found it on my dead corpse somewhere, or in one of my rovers, because let's be honest, I probably forgot it somewhere. Thanks for listening. And until the next one, remember to stay safe out there.